Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Make It Summer with Walmart. I am Bianca Octavia, and today we will be making a DIY outdoor hanging lantern. Let's get started. The supplies you'll need for this project are an assortment of Waverly Inspirations Chalk Paint, outdoor Mod Podge, rapid dry glue, today I'll be using Aleene's, scissors, a Mod Podge brush, paint brushes, twine. You'll also need rope, decorative tassels, wooden beads, a drill and a drill bit, a battery-operated push light, and finally, a waste bin. The first step for this project is to drill a hole through the top of your waste bin using a drill and a drill bit. The next step for this project is to add a layer of outdoor Mod Podge to the bottom of your waste bin using your Mod Podge brush. Next, grab your rope and place it directly on top of the Mod Podge and begin to wrap it around the bottom part of the waste bin. As you can see, I've gone ahead and added my second color rope. I'm going to continue using the outdoor Mod Podge to wrap it around the waste bin until we reach the top of it. Be sure to leave a space around the hole that you created earlier with the drill at the top of your waste bin. Now we're going to paint our waste bin using Waverly Inspirations Chalk Paint. I love Waverly Inspirations Chalk Paint because it has a huge variety of colors, it goes on super smooth, it has excellent coverage, and it leaves a great matte finish. While the paint on our waste bin is drying, we'll go ahead and we'll move on to painting the wooden beads using Waverly Inspirations Chalk Paint. I'll be using this dowel stick to help with the painting. Once all of our beads are painted, you'll grab a piece of twine and tie a loop at the top of it. Next, string on your beads. Take the end of your twine and thread it through the hole at the top of the waste bin. Flip the waste bin over and tie a knot in the inside of it. Now brush a layer of Mod Podge on the inside of your waste bin so that you can attach your decorative tassels. Next, we'll grab our push light and add rapid glue onto the back of it. Now we're going to place our push light on the inside of our basket. The final step for this project is to add a layer of outdoor Mod Podge onto your finished basket to seal it and protect it from the outdoor elements. Once that dries, now you have a super cute upcycled lantern perfect for hanging outdoors this summer. For more project ideas and inspiration, visit plaidonline.com.